exponential function e raised to power x fx plus f prime x dx. So if we are to evaluate this kind of problem, many times it becomes very helpful if the product with exponential is written, and we can recognize that the product which is written with exponential can be written in this form, fx plus f prime x. I will show you with the example. So to evaluate this, we break it into two parts. Let us say what happens: e raised to power fx dx plus integration e raised to power x f prime x dx. Consider this as I1 and this as I2, and check for I1. So I1 is e raised to power x fx dx, and evaluate it using by parts, considering this as first function and this as second function. So the integral will come out to be fx e raised to power x minus integration differentiation of the first f prime x integration of the second e raised to power x dx, and plus of course cost of integration, which finally will appear there. So now you can see that this is nothing but I2, and therefore I1 is fx e raised to power x minus I2 plus c. So the integral I now is written as I1, for which the value is fx into e raised to power x minus I2 plus I2 plus c, which gets cancelled. So finally the integral I turns out to be e raised to power x fx. So if a problem is of this kind, that it is having exponential function and the product is written with exponential as fx plus f prime x,